To set up your 2025 Axie Infinity Ronin wallet, start by going to the official Ronin website and clicking on the download button for the Ronin wallet. Once the download is complete, install the wallet on your device and launch it. You will be prompted to create a new wallet, which will generate a unique seed phrase that you must write down and store in a safe place. This seed phrase is crucial as it allows you to recover your wallet if you lose access to it, so make sure to keep it secure. Next, set up a strong password for your wallet and enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. After setting up your wallet, you will need to add the Ronin network to your wallet. This can be done by clicking on the Add Network button and entering the Ronin network details, which can be found on the official Ronin website. Once the network is added, you can proceed to create a new account and deposit some Ether to cover the gas fees. To connect your Ronin wallet to Axie Infinity, go to the Axie Infinity website and click on the Login button. Select Ronin Wallet as your login method and follow the prompts to connect your wallet. You will be asked to sign a transaction that authorizes Axie Infinity to access your wallet, which is a standard procedure. Once your wallet is connected, you can start playing Axie Infinity and managing your in-game assets. It is essential to keep your wallet and seed phrase safe, as losing access to your wallet can result in the loss of your in-game assets. Regularly back up your wallet and keep your device and browser up to date to ensure the security of your wallet. By following these steps, you can successfully set up your 2025 Axie Infinity Ronin wallet and start playing Axie Infinity. Always prioritize the security of your wallet and assets to ensure a safe and enjoyable gaming experience.